have some help. If a reputable body shop looks at the damage on that car and they're being honest with you and they don't want to just keep your car at their shop so that they can accrue storage and make you a promise like, oh yeah, we can save it, and all the while their car is sitting at the shop and now it's accruing storage, that's a situation you don't want. But unfortunately, people are taken advantage of by some body shops. So you can get a body shop who can look at their car and say, you know what, there's no way we can save this car. It's not gonna happen. We cannot save this car. This is a total loss. There's a gray area, and now you need an experienced body shop who says, I think we can save this. You just need an advocate who can fight for you, who can consult you, answer all your questions, explain the total loss process. So hopefully you find that. You'll find that in me, High Octane Body and Paint.